How this rental made $120,000 in 12 months. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how one single rental property made me $120,000 in just 12 months without any crazy tricks, no inheritance, no lottery. Just a simple, smart investment strategy anyone can learn from. Let me start by saying, this wasn't a $1 million mansion, and I didn't need a huge bank loan. In fact, this was a pretty average single-family home in a growing area. I bought it for $285,000 in a neighborhood where I noticed rising rental demand, especially from remote workers and small families. Now let's break it down. After purchasing, I spent about $15,000 in renovations, painting, modern flooring, updating the kitchen, and fixing the bathrooms. Nothing luxury. Just clean and functional upgrades that tenants love. All in, I was about $300,000 into the property. I listed it for rent at $2,600 per month, and within 3 days, I had 5 applications. That was my first sign that I priced it right and picked a solid location. Now here's where it gets interesting. Over 12 months, I collected $31,200 in rent. But that's just part of the story. The real money came from 3 things: cash flow, appreciation, and tax benefits. Let's start with cash flow. After the mortgage, insurance, and maintenance, I cleared around $600 a month in profit. That's $7,200 a year in pure passive income. Second, appreciation. Within 12 months, the property value increased by nearly $70,000 due to both market demand and the upgrades I had done. So now my home was worth about $355,000. I didn't even sell it. But that equity boost is a huge win. Third, tax benefits. Thanks to depreciation and mortgage interest deductions, I saved over $4,000 on taxes. So between cash flow, equity, and tax savings, this property made me around $120,000 in total gains in just 12 months. Here's the big takeaway. You don't need to flip houses or buy dozens of properties to start building wealth. One smart deal can change everything if you learn to look at it the right way. So if you're watching this and thinking, could I do this too? The answer is yes. But it starts with education and taking that first step. If you want a breakdown of the exact numbers, renovation tips, or how to run the math on your own deal, drop a comment below with, "Send me the playbook," and I'll message you the free guide. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe if you want more real estate case studies, strategies, and passive income breakdowns, just like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.